We did not take the beaten path when we designed our course. We innovated and created a hexagonal pool table. However, the playing style is different. Instead of using a cue and pool balls, you have a yardstick and some bottle caps. We did not use one of the plans. Done.
You do not play it as a golf course or a pool table though. The main game that's played is called Triple Sinker. There are 3 shots each person has to make. First shot is to use the light cap to hit the dark cap into any hole. You get 3 shots. If you fail to make the shot, you'll wait till everyone else goes. After you make the first shot, you must complete the trick shot. You get 3 attempts, and the darker cap must hit the wall before going into a hole. The third and final shot is a hole-in-one. All you have to do is sink in the darker cap, except you only get 1 attempt.
Gamer! Gamer!
1.
To get maximum gameplay, it is advised you use the standard provided yardstick and 2 caps, like bottle caps. Using golf balls and a putter will damage the walls of the table. Also, due to the unbalanced surface, the balls would roll around uncontrollably and would sink themselves before you could play. The caps provide enough traction to stay still, but still be able to be played with. We use a stick because meter sticks are for losers. Only true Americans use yardsticks because the imperial system is the superior system. Only true intellectuals use the imperial system.
Here's the line of reflection. As you can see, side B is where the lighter cap starts at, and side A is here, where the darker cap is hit and doesn't sink. The line of reflection changes. When doing a trick shot, your line of reflection will always include a 45-degree angle.
I have an animal
Good.
of the rarest.
Start recording.
Someone please get a trick shot. Alright.
Alright, so what is my goal here?
You have to, it's pool except golf. You have to use the cue ball, which is the gray, to score the black one into one of the 6 holes.
It's not really like pool, it's more like that. It's more like you ever
You
play
get 3 tries.
3 attempts.
You ever play Chinese pool?
Oh, wow, you did it.
Right, I'm going.
Woo, that was
Well,
clean.
that was good.
That was clean. That was clean.